you want to find out if you have a corresponding color. This is our caulking that's going to go in our corners and joints. Anywhere there's a 90-degree or two different planes meet, you want to use a caulking and not a straight grout. Home Depot sells this custom, they sell the custom products. So to find out what kind of grout you have, and we happen to have Snow White and we have Snow White. So these are the ones that we're going to mix. So there's two different kinds of grout trowels. Oh, there's a bunch of different ones. This is a hard, firm rubber. It's got nice straight edges. This one is a softer, foamy material. I like both of them. I typically buy the cheapest one they have at Home Depot. Let's get a little water. When you mix up grout, you don't need very much water. Very, very little water. Start with a small amount of water and then add little droplets until you get the consistency. So you're only going to need about that much water.
What consistency are we looking for?
It's about the same as the thin set. You're going to try and go for like a creamy peanut butter. You're just going to add a little bit of water at a time. What you don't want is to be too runny. You're going to mix this up, get nice consistency, and then you're going to let it sit for 20 minutes.
What does that do?
It's going to get tight. It kind of hydrates everything, hydrates all of the powder in there, and then you're going to stir it up again after 20 minutes. Sometimes you don't want to wait 20 minutes. That's a little long. Depends on how warm it is and if you're inside. And then you're going to stir it up, and you should have enough water at that point in it to last how much you have in within an hour. Okay, so it's been a little while. We're going to stir this up again. Come and look at it in the bucket. You can see it started to firm up a little bit. So yeah, stir this up. Good. So it's kind of the same way we did this is a little thinner than thin set. About the same way we did the thin set. We're going to put it on there because this stuff is a little hard. It's got little dry pockets of grout. So we're going to put it on there and just kind of push it. You know what we should have done? We should have put some paper down. Maybe we'll go get that before we continue on. So, if you pull up with your thumb, so you're just using this side, seeing this side's not touching?
Yeah.
Then you can get 4. 4 swipes. always this, because you got 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you got a dirty rug, dirty sponge. All right.
Finish applying your grout in this wipe on, wipe off pattern. Once all your tiles are filled and all your grout lines are wiped clean, wait 30 minutes for the grout to set. Then wipe your tiles with a dry rag, removing all the excess grit and grime from the tile. Then place your tape where you're going to apply your caulking. Hey, I hope you liked that video on how to grout a tile wall. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see all my upcoming DIY videos.